Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm at Smethwick Golden Bridge. Some loud, I think that's a bin, over here. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm at Smethwick Golden Bridge. It is very cold. It's like 2 degrees, I think. And today I'm gonna be riding on the shortest train in the UK. But first I need to get to Stourbridge Junction. So that was it. That was the train. So I couldn't really film inside because there was other people and I don't want to make it awkward. And also I can't really do talking at Stourbridge Junction. I think it's called Stourbridge now because that's what I said in the announcements. I couldn't do any talking there because I had to rush for the train. So yeah, but yeah, only downside about the train though, it's very bumpy. So yeah, there was lots of shaky camera footage just there because the train was bumping around so much. So that was very hard to film there. But other than that, I like it. It's quite nice, and it's very cool. It's very cool. Like there are not many trains like that in the world, and yeah, it's very nice. I think it's coming back in about 5 minutes because it just shuttles between Stourbridge Junction and Stourbridge Town where I am now. Stourbridge Town has like a bus station just back there. So yeah, and the train wasn't too busy. It was only about, I'd say maybe 7 people. Yeah. So I liked it a lot. I know Jeff Marshall liked it when he did his video about that and all the stations. There was even some tribute to that video. There was some text on the train about how like unique it is and how cool it is, basically. I didn't really read all of it, but I might read it on the way back. I don't know. You can also see the cabs. That's quite cool. I think there's 2 people that just work it, like just work on the train. All they do is just stay on the train. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They're announcing the other one. I think it's coming back. So now time for some fun facts about this train. So it's called the Class 139. There are only 2 of them built, and 2 of them are in service. Only one's in service at a time. The other one just stays at Stourbridge Junction. The only service the Class 139 ever runs is a 3-minute shuttle between Stourbridge Junction and Stourbridge Town. It does not do any other service in the country or in the UK even. It also might be one of the slowest trains in the UK, as its top speed is only 20 miles an hour, also 32 kilometers an hour. As far as I know, that probably is the slowest train in the UK. I'm not going to call it that though, because there might be another train that is even slower, but I'm not sure. As far as I know, I think it is the slowest train in the UK. Then the last fun fact is the one that you've all been waiting for. How long is it? Well, it is 9.6 meters in length, the whole train. So yeah, that is by far the shortest train in the UK. It's not the only one-car train in the UK, so I'm pretty sure Wales has some of their own. I think it's either the 150 or 153. But I know the class, whichever one that Wales has, that is longer than this one, because it has a lot more carriages, a lot more seats. So yeah, this is definitely the shortest. Now, to be fair, 9.6 meters might feel long to you, but a 5-car Linear Zuma is 129.7 meters long, and a 9-car, I believe, or a 10-car, if you couple 2 of them up, is double that. About 256 meters. 9-car is I think 233 meters, about that. So yeah, is tiny for trains. So I've just done some calculations. The Eurostar Class 374 is the longest train in the UK. Although I'm not really sure if it counts, it also goes to other countries like Belgium and France. But if you're counting it, it is 390.2 meters long. So if you take away the length of the Class 139 from the Class 374, it means the longest train in the UK is 380.6 meters, I think, longer than the shortest train in the UK. And for those of you saying that the Eurostar doesn't count as it goes to different countries, as I mentioned, I've done the calculations for the Thameslink, and that is, for the 12-car Thameslink, is 240 meters, and minus 9.6 meters is 230.4. So if you're saying the longest train that always operates in the UK is 230.4 meters longer than the shortest train in the UK. So that's crazy. I find this train pretty cool though. It's quite nice, quite cute. And yeah, I think if you can go here, you probably should. It's very cool. It's like only thing in the UK like this. Other countries probably do have something like this, but in the UK, as far as I know, it's the only thing like this. So I think you should, if you can, come down to Birmingham, to Stourbridge, I mean. Come check it out. It's pretty cool. I think you'll enjoy it, especially trainers like me, because it's very different and unique to any other train in the UK. So, yeah, I find it pretty cool. And I'm sure you will as well if you come down here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.